Morning, everybody. Morning, everybody on TikTok. Good morning, Alex. Your number one buddy. First one here. Let me get my channel set up. Let's see, didn't even publish any. And of course, and analysis. I always can tell how good my channels are doing by how many spam messages I get, and there's always several. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Hope everybody had a great weekend. What a glorious week this week will be, Lord willing. Really looking forward to some positive things here. Thank God. Yay. Stream location right outside of Atlanta. May the 5th. I saw a cute thing about Star Wars. May the 4th be with you. And May the 5th take the Sith or something. Revenge of the Sith. I don't know. I thought it was cute.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, you fantastic human. There are certain people who make them.
No. That's true. Yeah. Daddy, my father passed away a couple of years ago, and I got a notice on Instagram about him. Oh, yeah. All right. Well, anywho, are we all done here? Let's see. Save. Yep, looks good. Are we live? Yep, we are. Keith, I swear to God. Good morning, Keith. Keith Palmer in the house. I swear, Keith. All right. Good morning, good morning, good morning. I don't even know. I wasn't paying attention. Let's go back up. I do know that Alex is first. What's up, Big? What's up, Sog? Good morning. Larry Cooper and Sog and John Parker and Keith Palmer's in the house. Keith is the greatest coder and an extremely good human being. He's one of the good guys. And he handles everything that you see up here is Keith's creation. Basically, he takes my mind and pushes it here. It's kind of funny everything he does. So everyone should be thinking Keith Palmer, the great Keith Palmer, by that. There we go. All right. Let's smash the like button. Thank you, John. That'll keep you guys here. Good morning, Kirk Brown. Yep, everyone's thanking Keith as well as they should. What's up, Blue Tide Acrylics? What's up, Jacob? who's on TikTok. Good morning, Aussie Trader, Larry Cooper, Kurt Brown, Alex, Gateway Farm, user 1570, Joe Bigga, Miami Rock, Snowman, and an all. Good morning to everybody on TikTok. Don't mind me, I've already lifted this morning. I am eating some eggs and some chicken, actually. Really shouldn't eat that, though. I don't know. Mm-hmm. Okay. All right. I'll be hit the 1 minute blue line for reversal. Start to flip around right now. I'll take a closer look at this. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. I'm going to still stick with the 3-minute sell stop to the blue line. Let's see how far away the US30 is. I mean, let me see. Nope, that's probably all cleared out. Fuck. Yeah, the overnight reversal to the 1 minute blue line. I mean, that happens like 99.9% of the time. But I'm going to go ahead and call the 3-minute too. I just wouldn't play it. As you guys know, I rarely, if ever, play the. Damn. Hold on. Sunday shooting, man. There's no reflection on TikTok, right? Does anybody see like a sun reflection on TikTok? You might actually. I don't know. No, it's a little alarm even. If you do, I can lower the shades a little further. Mark says no, it's good. No says no. Oh, okay, good. Ether Bruni. All right. Let's see. What else we got going on? Damn, US30 hit it, 60 minutes. Whoa, what? It's just below it. Nope, it isn't. Buy stop. All indices. Buy stop to the 3-minute blue line of US30. Buy stops. This is the favorite trade of the day right here. US30 and NAS included. And generally speaking, this will be my one meal of the day. And I'll be done eating here in just a minute. And I won't eat again until this time tomorrow. Yeah, this is gorgeous. What you're looking at blue lines up, blue line price below. We trade all indices as one. So US30 needs to go up too, and it will. They're all sniper buy stops. If you don't have the sniper, they said fill in this space right here. Fill in the space. All these will go up and touch the yellow line. Price action go up. I'm going to call out some buys. These are a 90-minute buy stop. This is for ES1. I'm only calling the top take profit of 5,600, and I can't read it. We'll go into more specific ones in here. 5,664 for ES1 and SPX. It's in game. Net Q1, 20,119 take profit. 20,000 even for NAS. And US30 is going to go to 41,154, 41,311, 41,430. And those are all the 90-minute buys. I'm fully expecting this 3-minute sell to kick back this morning before 9:30. There's also a daily sell. And then there's also weekly buy. And my favorite trade, all the trades, the weekly buy will go into record highs. We'll see price action go up and above all previous highs for US30, YM1, NAS, NQ, SPX, and ES1. So we can just avoid that daily sell. Will be wow. What else joined on? Okay. YouTube, hold on a second. Might be an issue. No. 17 watching, 13 likes. That's good. Nope, that's the last message. Oh, okay. I'm wonderful. Bolt up to 100 people watching. It's done. I didn't tell Keith that. I did that again. Hey, Keith, are you still listening? But it did it again. These guys. Weekly buy US30 will be going above 43,800. Weekly YM, it will go above 44,000. Weekly buy NAS, it will go above 21,000. Weekly buy, and of course these are all demo trades.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
21,000. SPX will go above 6,000. ES1 will go above 6,000. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of just chill and relax. They are extremely low trades. morning, Jacob. Morning, Brian Laws. Good morning, Larry Cooper. Good morning, Kurt Brown and Jeff Parker. Good morning, Alex and Keith Palma. All right, peepee weepies. All right. Now, let's get out some more call-ups here for a shot. Yeah, I'm fully suspect. I don't know if is there any news today, John or anybody? Is there any news? What about the Raider trader? I miss Raider trader being on the line. Well, anyway. So weird to see with so many of the veteran traders, they get so good, they don't need the lives anymore, so they don't come on. Or they'll stop by and say hello and that type of thing. So, with that in mind, if there's any news, they let me know. But I can see this still going down to that 3-minute blue lines. I know we've already had the overnight reversal to the 1 minute. It was perfection. I get that. But yeah, that's what I'm saying. Good morning, Ace Bullet. On TikTok, good morning, Aussie Trader, Larry Cooper, Old School Mick, Joe Biga, Kirkland Brown, Axel, User 1570, Nadal, Sog, Mardell, Getaway Farm, Corey Bradley, Checkman. It's my time in Saska. It's now or never. Thank you, Techman, for being on TikTok and YouTube. And I know Larry's probably on TikTok, YouTube, Facebook, Twitter, Twitch, X. All right, so we thoroughly called out US30, YM1, NAS, QQQ, SPY. Are you guys going to force me to put SPY up here too? Holy shit. They're all the same. Okay, let's go to gold. There's gold and our hills. There's gold and gold. Man, it's gold and gold. All right, let's see. Gold and freaking around. Let's see what's going on. Right here. Oh, it's all back up over. I told you the last time these were red last week. Remember they were falling? Hell, I think got down to the 10-minute, 15-minute red line. Damn. At this point, it's too late. Where's gold at? I'm up $650 an ounce on gold. Wow. It's really nice. It's now all now you can do gold. You're too late. I've been telling you gold. I've been telling you gold. It's at least the weekly. No, but you can see it's starting to come down. See the pink line right here starting to go down. See, it's got to do this. It's got to do the sideways with the market. It just has to. I want to see this face. This thing come down. Wouldn't it be wild to get to hold a trade on gold like all year long? That would be fucking legendary. As it is, I've been in there since January to current. That's only been 5 months. That would be fucking wild if I hold my gold trade for the entire year. And it never gets tapped out. Ooh, boy. I don't think it's going to get tapped out. I don't want to pass that. So yeah, we might be able to hold gold trade for a year. You know what I haven't looked at? How much they charge me? Hold on a second. Yep, that swap fee is getting way up there. A $4,000 swap fee. That's insane. But I am using the money, and the swap fee is like interest. They're charging you interest to use it. $4,000. So that means it'll be about a $10,000 swap fee by the end of the year. Boy, that thing better be motherfucking going up. Anyways, just to hold it, just to say we hold it. Full trade property for you. What's up, Techman? Brian Club. What's up, Taraya Edwards? It's mine. It's now or never. All right, guys. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Let's say a quick blessing now. When I see the number surge, we'll say another one. Thank God for another day above ground, another day of health, happiness, which goes with you. Thank you for staying steadfast in spite of our sins. Now, if there's anything we can do while we're on earth for you, please let us do it. Please open up the eye and mind of the listeners right now so they can understand what I'm trying to teach them so they can become consistently processed. Please look after our loved ones, but every one of them be healthy and happy, especially our significant others, our husbands or wives, especially bereaved. And of course, I ask your healing blessings upon Keith and my entire family, including my Uncle Jack. And it was some of our shortcomings and things that are mentioned company. Thank you guys for the blessings, the healing blessings you always send our way. They are much appreciated. It's now or never. Bitcoin. What's up, Guy Burgers, right? Edwards, Techman, Brian Claus. What's up, peeps? Bitcoin. G. Everything I just said. Hit the word line perfection. Oh, good. It's a little sell off. Sell stop to the 15-minute blue line. Bitcoin 92,000 take profit. To the 30-minute blue line 89,900. And then after that, buy stops 95,600. Take profit to 96,600. And to take profit that I love, 97,000, 100,000, 105, 110, 115, 120,000. It's now on, but that was Bitcoin. XRP. Let's see what the sniper rifle says. 1 hour. Let's see. I think it was flipping down to like 2 hours. So I'll pass it. 3 hours, 4 hours. Sell out to the 4 hour blue line. $2.07 XRP. $2.02 XRP. I never do a sell on Bitcoin on XRP. But you guys do what you want to do. Weekly buy stop XRP. Just adore this trade. This is a fantastic trade. It's going to go right back to $2.25 in my opinion. And then it's going to go to $2.47. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. And then $3.40. Remember to only
Demo trade only. I am not a advisor.
Thank you for saying that voice. That's XRP, Ethereum. I don't care where Ethereum is a long term. This is a 3-week buy. It looks like it could take forever. How long was this? Oh my God. There ain't no way. Oh my God. Larry, this could take, well, do I think it's going to take that long? Jeez, fuck. I mean, you're looking at over a year and a half. that long. It's definitely a 3-week month of it. Shit, like Christmas. There might be better things out there than Ethereum. Let me call it. Take profit 1, 2,437, 3,000. This is on a 3-week buy. It's going to go past here. It's going to go past 4,000. And then it's going to go. This is what you're looking at, just so we're all clear. This is ridiculous. This is going to take forever. Oh my God. Well, I guess we have nothing else to do. Remember our system. So then red is down, green is up, formed our M. Red is down, and then it's going to go back up. It'll pass its middle, like right here. It'll be the first thing over here. So you're going to take profits and it'll pass here. So these are all take profits. This could be like a year to 2 years. This is crazy. There, you see what I'm seeing though? On the 3 week, this is a 3-week monthly buy stop on Ethereum. Wow.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Really hope it doesn't take this long for this one to begin, because that's like a year and a half. I mean, can it be that long? Someone should mark this video and come back to it, because this is crazy. I mean, that's what it's showing, and that's how low. I mean, it could come up faster than that, but damn, I don't know. I don't know about that. Maybe look at all the other pastures that leave, buy one and just keep it and then hold it for a while or something. I don't know. I think you're going to get much more quicker movement out of XRP and Bitcoin down. So that's for, I know, right there. That's forever. Holy shit. Well, it is what it is. It's going to do it. It's just a matter of how late. Shade. Fucking pizza. Wow, wait a minute. That's Ethereum, XRP, Bitcoin, Gold, ES1, SPX, NQ1, NAS, YM1, and US30. XLM. I'm going to take XLM off my favorite list. Even though there's a beautiful daily. There's a daily sell technically. I'm going to go ahead and just skip over the daily sell. We're going to go to the weekly buy to 0.3731. That's all I'm calling an XLM. I think I'm going to take XLM off my list. It's okay. It's going to definitely go up. I don't want to. Well, we keep it there. I'm just not. It is what it is. All right, Nike. Love Nike. It's going to keep going out a little bit. Don't have a heart attack. Yeah, we had our. That's why MetaTrader 4 is so much superior. I have if my trading chart's open for a year, I can track things forever. Oh well, it's what it is. I don't know why TradingView doesn't do that. Oh yeah. It's now or never. Sell Nike. Daily, weekly. But buy, 6-month buy, 12-month buy. I'm telling you. Now these are going to take forever. Also, take profit 1, $65, $70, $75, $80, $85, $90, $95. I love $100 on Nike. Love it. And then it will go all the way up to over 180. That's Nike. Love Nike. Yeah, I see the sells. I told you it's down a little further this way. Put your buy stop in. Do not do a market order buy on Nike.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Target, TGT. Target. Monthly, so it's still a sell. Yes. See, it's still got a little sell action going on here. Blah, 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 sell. Yeah, okay, that's fine. The target, 3-month buy, 6-month buy. 12-month, not even still a buy. Put your buy stop somewhere around here at 110 and let it come. Let's see, this is what you want it to do. You need it to do before you enter this trade. Let Nike calm down, hook like this, right? Come back and do that. You want to see this teat, this auto right here. You want to see this nipple. And once it does that, you'll be able to enter in somewhere up in here. First, take profit here. I think yellow. Second, take profit will be halfway up. Third, take profit will be right here. This will be your last take profit or your runner. So when I call out Nike, I'm going to say 120 take profit 1, 130 take profit 2, 140, 150. I just love 170, and then it'll go eventually back. Target will go eventually back over 280 per. So I would say 300. Then we have a long ways to go because everything is on the sniper. When the sniper comes back up, you can buy all the way up to the 80% mark or higher. But that's what it does. And you'll see this hits the ground in the yellow. This action will go up above that in March. And that's target. Next up is J&J. Target.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Johnson & Johnson. Love Johnson & Johnson. It is a much faster. This should get us some money much faster. There is still a sell. I know. Sell to the weekly blue line. Take profit $114 in Johnson & Johnson. But I just love the monthly, 3-monthly stop, the 6-month buy stop, and the 12-month buy stop. So I think we see that push up before we see a big, huge push down. How many of you take profit to gain for Johnson & Johnson? And our take profit. Take profit to $162, $170, and then eventually over $200 for J&J. CVS will be the last one I called this morning. CVS is a 3-month, 6-month box. You already made a shit ton of money. This whole green candle you see right here, this one right here, around the 3-month, 6-month, you made all that money. You made everything. So it's already hitting take profit 2 and 3. And then is CVS, but I'm going to call out some more for you. It's going to be a nice push up. CVS take profit, whatever, $80. 75, 80. I love the take profit 80. Then 90, 95, 100, 105, and 110. 115. I can go CVS to 120. Love CVS, and that's it. Set that here and try to make it some fast money. Yep, told you. So now we're on all those things. 3. Yeah, I don't like this. Let me see NAS. Yeah, much better. NAS and SPX are your sell stops this morning. NAS and SPX. I would just be leery. Well, I'd be leery. I wouldn't do any of them, but if I was going to be leery or take this, I don't think I'd be looking for the sell in US30. Just hold off on that one. Take these small sell stops on NAS, SPX, and Q1 and ES when it's in the game. All right. I think we covered everything we need to cover. Anybody have any symbols they want me to check now? Anybody? Wish I could pick and choose what shows up, but they show everybody. And symbols, if you want me to go over, I've already done, I don't know, a dozen or two. Anybody following anything? I can see the Marvel one coming. I wish it wouldn't. Symbols, cryptos, doesn't matter. As long as I can chart it and my system can see it, then we can trade it. Brian Claus, Neo from Austria. Let me check Neo first, Brian, then I'm going to go over to GBJDY. Neo. Oh, I'm going to name. So, Neo. Neo. No, I don't like English. Yeah, I see what's going on. I don't like it. To me, it looks like it's a monthly buy, but I can't verify that. And it's a sell here on a daily. Yeah, Neo looks like shit. Okay, I'm going to give you some. I can't call log for Neo because it's too shitty. But I'm going to give you one that's a 2 hour, 1 hour. Yeah, let's do this. That's not good either. 2 hour buy stop Neo, take profit one, $4.24, $4.41. Yeah, I remember doing this, Neo. I didn't like it then, and I don't like it now. Hope that helps you, Aussie trader. GBP right now. That was one of my solid ones. Like I was growing up trading here in the last decade. GBP was loved it. Just loved it. Too nice. Oh, gorgeous. What the fuck is this? Don't do it. Higher. Where the hell? Weekly buy. Weekly, 3 weekly buy. GBP JPY. I love the trade. 6 months, 12 months now. 6 months now. 3 months now. Yeah, it's a solid one. You should go get money on this. So, weekly, 3 weekly buy stop. Take profit 193, 196, 200 on GBP JPY. Now, shorter term, let's see if I give you some quick money here. 1 minute buy. Let me see. 5 minutes. 10 minutes. So 5 minutes. So no. Okay. 1 minute buy stop to the blue line. Take profit 191.699. Take profit to 191.76. 191.78. And then go over here and look at a 10-minute sell stop to the blue line. 191. 191.492, 191.420, 191.6, and that is GBP JPY. It's okay. You can make money because it's forex, so you can pull that up and down pretty quick. I mean, you don't have to wait for that weekly, 3 weekly. That'd be ridiculous on a forex pair. You can just go with faster time frames. You should be able to get there.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
You're welcome, Aussie trader. Hope that helped you, Brian Claus. You're welcome, Brian. Any other symbols you guys want to check? Epic Universe is opening up May the 27th at Universal in Florida. Even though I don't write all the those parts are so fun. And I'm sorry, but they crushed Disney into the ground, unless you have like a 3-year-old. Universal Studios, Universal Islands of Adventure. Oh my gosh, Spider-Man ride. Holy shit. Nothing better. Do 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 do. Any other symbols you want me to call? Seriously, when there's a bull market, we had a couple hundred people watching this. When there was a bull market for crypto, but all the casual traders, nothing but traders started not trading, are copying in. It's so funny. Then they leave, then they come back in, and then want to know. They're so weird. They're like fair weather traders. But it was fun. It was fun. Let's see. Techman said USD. Yep, AUD another currency pair. There is there's $7 trillion, $7.2 trillion a day in currency, and yet probably 90% of my people trade forex. Ooh, that's nice. Oh, that is good. There's my face. Sell. 6 months. 12 months. Well, you'd love to call 6 months, 12 months, but I cannot do that. Oh, yeesh. There we go. Let's see. Can we get the data here? Yeah. 12 hour. Any buy stop 1 second through an hour until the 12-hour blue line is hit. Take profit 1 AUD USD point. I swear. 657, then 0.65715, and that is AUD USD. For you, I go down here and see for it. 10-second sell stop to the blue line, so the hook come up and come back down. 0.64849. Take profit 2.6845, and the second sell stop. This will drop. This will space right here. So this will go to that blue line right there. See it? Touchdown. Yeah, there you go. Touchdown. Take profit 1 and take profit 2. Done. See the hook come down. Watch that there. See that? Touch that yellow line. And that's what that does. But that's awfully fast. You probably get a call before. So anyway, that's AUD USD.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Contact them. CV crypto. What we call IT. Is that honestly a thing? What is IT? I'm going to call Gartner Incorporated. Why would a crypto guy want me to call Gartner? I'll do it for you. Sure. Gartner Incorporated. Right? Let's see what the site right says. Okay, we're following. Let's see. It's going to be a little quick, little short sell stop to 30 seconds. Yep. Sell to 30 second blue line. Looks kind of messy to me. Okay, so it's a much better trade. Bob IT to take profit. Well, damn, this fucker's $430. $430.55. Take profit to $436.72. Take profit $349. $464. There's something funny going on here in the daily, so yeah, that's what I thought. Sell stop to the 12-hour blue line. Take profit $1, $397. Take profit $2, $363. I can see it going all the way down to its daily of so 359, 360. Oh, good. But it is a weekly, 3-weekly buy. I know this is a bad thing. Whatever the fuck this is, it's going to go. Could stand to come down a little bit more. I mean, if you have patience, I might wait for it to come down to 307, but I don't know if it's going to do that because it's bouncing off of the 6 months. Oh well, have my system got to 373. All right, here. This is a weekly, 3 monthly, weekly. Oh my goodness. It's a 3-weekly monthly buy stop. Take profit $1, $457. $485. $531. That is for IT.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I hope that helps you. Crypto, wherever you are. Good morning, Matt. What's up, Matt? At least I'm a doctor, Matt. I don't know whatever happened to him. Any more symbols you guys want me to call it? Any other symbols? Stocks, cryptos, forex, indices, futures. If I can pull it up on trading, which is open, I can get my system to read it. I'll tell you exactly where everything's going. In my humble opinion. All right, alerts then. Here we go. Took 1 minute. Let's go to the 3 minute. Let's go all the way back up. All right, PP Weepies. You know what? I'm not going to do any sales. Nope, we're not going to do it. We're going to go up to the buy stops. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Okay, here you go. Here's some ding-a-ling-ding-a-lings as the day goes on. Here you go. Take profit US30, $41,085. You'll hear it go. Take profit US30, 41,136. You'll hear it go. Take profit 41,000. You'll hear it go. Probably even before 10. Take profit, whatever this is, 41,402. Oh yeah, baby. You'll hear all these going. Next one, YM1. Cushion a little bit so I get you that. Purchases. Take profit 1. 41,200. Take profit 2. 41,270. I'm skipping 7. Oh, that's crazy. NAS. Take profit 1. 20,000. NAS. Take profit 2. 20,050. And you'll hear those being off here shortly. NQ1 will be the same. We'll call it right. 20,000. 20,043. 20,155. SPX. Oh, I'm going to call this down closer. Take profit 1. SPX. 5,648. 5,662. 5,683. ES, what is in the game? Take profit 1. That's on 5. 5,670. Take profit 2. 5,686. Now let's go back to US30. Let's go down to this. 10 seconds sell. 10 second, 15 second sell to the 3-minute blue line, at least towards it. All right, and that's it. So we'll wait here. No other symbols. Anyone say anything else? NQ1 for the day already called it. NQ1's been called multiple times. Please just go back on your YouTube feed and re-listen to that. And I just called it again a second ago. Any other ones that I have not called multiple times, please? Any other symbols? Wow, really? Good morning. To you from the Bob Evans group. Da, 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 da. All right. Oh, welcome, MH. All right, that's it then. That's awesome. Let's roll. Here we go. Now, I'm going to show you several different types of trades. Yesterday, I said to you, set you guys up for the day. I said look for the overnight reversal. What are you seeing? You see how they're all turned to red. Oh, this would be interesting. 1 second buy stop at US30 to the blue line. Yeah. Buy stop US30. I love anything to do with a buy stop at US30. You have to take this one. It's going to be so much fun. 1 second buy stop to the 5-second blue line US30. And then might as well have some shits and giggles and go to YM. And wait, I can't. Maybe 180 to change this morning. And let's go to 5-second. Yeah. Oh, gorgeous. Yo, really? Here we go. Wow, where's my change symbol here on? So anyway, what was I saying? I was telling you guys a story. Let's see. Oh, you will be hearing all these things to changing later today. These are awesome. Oh, no right reversal trade. So I told you yesterday, I set y'all up. I said I was setting your market open demo trade only, not a financial advisor. And yeah, and then it did exactly. I told you go to the 1 minute, I go to the 3 or 5 minute, that type of thing. And right now, awesome sauce, right? But boy, are we going to hear some cha-chings. There'll be about 20 different cha-chings going off, and when they want you all to tell your friends to go buy the DM system so they can make money consistent. So I'm going to show you several different ways using the system. They're so easy. Okay, you'll be getting these things a free upgrade if you have the sniper rifle. If you have the sniper rifle, this grade, which you're looking at right here, it's like the sniper rifle on steroids. This is the normal sniper rifle, right? It's perfect. Works perfect. The same thing. It's just that this one is showing all 5 symbols. It's like the 2 out of 3 scanner on steroids. So this thing right here, you'll be able to do the Uno reverse trade pretty much every day, maybe even multiple days. It depends if they pushed it in a hard up or not. If it, in this case, a buy. If it's in a hard up, they might not pull it back at all for a while. But normally, this is just all they do. They only have a couple, not even really tricks anymore. They're so easy. So this is what they have. Let me be clear on this. Here we go. The simplest values. Okay. I'm going to put down the easiest. The easiest trade. No, reverse. Okay. And what it is this is as simple as you can make anything. You guys got to understand, they just have so many tricks. They only have a couple tricks. It's all they got. They don't have a lot of things they can do. They really do not. So this is as simple as this. If they bring price action, the price action up all day, they will reverse it to a sell by turning on the next one. Okay. It's as simple as that. And then vice versa. Okay, so that's a trick. So that's what we're playing right now, and that's found on the grade given to you by my beautiful wife Bree and I, coded by the great Keith Palmer, and that's what that is. Sevens, you guys understand that? There's Rate of Traders just talking about you. Glad you're here, Rate of Traders. I said I've much better Rate of Traders all my lives. I said it this morning. Hope you had a nice weekend, Rate of Trader. Sevens, if you understand what I wrote out about the overnight reversal trade. Sevens, if you understand it. Larry's throwing up sevens. Jay's throwing up Aussie Trader sevens. Lazarus sevens. Ace Bullet sevens. Thank you guys, TikTok Old School. You'll be getting the overnight Uno reversal trade. Not sure when. Probably somewhere in a month. Within the month, you'll have it. Probably within the month. Yeah, I can see it happening. Being released to you guys within the month. No guarantees on that. So being on crypto edition. One thing after another. But yeah, anyone that has the sniper rifle will get the free upgrade, and you'll be able to spot your which of these objects is used for headwear. Okay. Yeah. So these things right here are being tested, and they're pretty much perfect as keys that way. But we're still checking out a few things. But when you see the 1 second fall, I explained this yesterday, and then the 5 seconds fall, then you play the 10 seconds falls or the 15 seconds, and it's pretty much universal. Now you see how I told you the 4 days higher time frame buy stop. This is what you want to play. You want to play these 60-minute buy stops of the US30. So you could play the Uno overnight reversal trade, which is what I'm teaching right now. And that's so easy to do. And so you can do it throughout the day. Like they might pull it up later, then they'll pull all this back down get maybe like the 30-second, 1 minute, and then they're going to give you another buy. And all that is a doubt. All this is showing you is this is like a 15-minute, 30-minute, 1 hour candle. This is a down candle right here. I haven't taught you guys how to trade inside of candles in a very long time, but you can trade inside of 4-hour candles, 1 hour candles, most especially when they start dropping it down a little lower. Look at this 3-minute color. You'll be inside of a red 1 hour candle. Isn't that wild? So all this right here, this might be the wick. If it goes down to like the 1 minute, this might be a wick on the bottom of the wick of a 4-hour candle, a little thing that points, the little thing that sticks out. And this could be the wick of it, and then they move it up, and then the rest of the time it goes up. And they love doing that with 4-hour candles. So this right here is showing you inside of a candle, but again, don't worry about all that. All you care about is when these turn from green to red like they did, and they're going out to the 1 minute, heading to the 3 minute. You can take this reversal. Okay. What's up, GB? Good morning, GB. All right. So hopefully also that's one way to use the trade, and that's the easiest. And that's pretty much every day, maybe 2 or 3 times a day. The only time you have trouble with it is if it's just a really hard down or really hard up, where they just blast it for hour after hour, up. You might not be able to grab it until the next day or two. But I would say on average, you can get this trade probably anywhere from 4 to 50 times a week and get this reversal trade. Okay, so that's one way, and I would recommend that strongly to all of you. Now, and I think even easier, I do. I really, really, really do. Okay, so let's take a look at this one. Save this trade. For now, 4 out of 5. And this is when when 4 out of the 5 indices are under, for example, let's do that, are over their price action. And the 5th is below theirs. Then now this is example. So this is so easy. We're waiting for today. We played this trade 8 days straight from 30-minute being this exact same way. These were all above, under 30 minutes below. Then we did the 1 hour, and then we did the, what do we do next? It was 30 minute. I think it was 45 minutes. It was 30 minute, 45 minute, and now we're on the 90 minute. Actually, we did 60 minute too, and now we're on the 90 minute. So they're all above. I'm just going to hang out here and wait, and we're going to wait for this to go to this blue light. On YouTube, is there a better connection somewhere? Oh boy. Is there not a scrolling thing? Is there not a scrolling thing at the bottom? Say yes if there's a scrolling thing at the bottom of YouTube that says to go to TikTok for sound. Please type out the word yes if there is a scrolling fucking thing on the bottom of the picture. Isn't there a scrolling thing? I could have swore I have it up. I see it on my screen. Okay, that is a yes. Okay, I'm going to say that MH is pretty tired this morning. Yeah, a little blue banner, right? Hey, Bob, what's up, Bob? Where you been, Bob? Oh, I hope you've been good for Bob. Hi, Bob. Good to see you, my brother. So yeah, it's to get a better sound. Go over to TikTok. Sorry, yeah, I'm on vacation and I didn't bring the big. Uh, it doesn't matter. So yeah. Hi, Bob. Hope you've been okay, brother. Hope you had a nice weekend. I hope you all had a nice weekend. What's up, Nelson? Good morning, Nelson. All right. So sevens, if y'all understand the 4 out of 5 trade. And by the way, this works on all. By the way, hold on. This works on all time frames. This is crazy. This works on all time frames. So if you can come across this, and we will this morning sometime, like a 30 center, sometimes you'll see US30 above, and you'll see it on all 1 minute, dailies, weeklies. You'll see this eventually on all. Good morning, Michael. What's up, Flo? You'll see this on all 5 indices. Yeah, the 5 indices are right here: ES1, SPX, NQ1. Yeah, I don't like the fact that that shit's right out in US30. They're always right here. We have the same 5 indices. Well, I've been using these indices now for several months, but the top big 3, they're the same. But people don't understand why I did it was so that the future people that trade would be quiet. But at any rate, US30, YM are the exact same. NAS and NQ1 are the exact same. SPF, ES1 are the exact same. Matter of fact, QQQ is the exact same thing as NAS. Matter of fact, 5 is the exact same PFs, but they're all the fucking same. I pick these 4 because they're the easiest to do. Okay. My anxiety. My anxiety. All right. How is it? Oh. Yeah, we're gonna get the payroll situation straightened out somehow. Do. Does anybody else have any more questions on that trade? So I just showed you 2 trades that are exceptionally easy, exceptionally safe, and they happen on the regular. They happen all the time. Do. Now, what's up, Cristobal Armas? Good morning, Cristobal. What's up, Edible EDE double 88? Can these TikTok videos be watched? Yes, you can go over to YouTube and come over to here. And you can go under my playlist, you can go under my lives, but everything's here. Hundreds and hundreds of videos you can rewatch. Matter of fact, let's see. We're at 982. We actually have $1,200. So 20 2,100, 2,200 videos. I've been doing this live on YouTube 2.5 years, on TikTok coming up on 3 years on YouTube and 3.5 years on TikTok. That's crazy to think about too. Wow. I agree with this way of trade. What's up, Rel 71177? Yeah, well, the old ways of trading suck ass, so do not work at all. Let me be clear. So yeah, this is the way to trade. And once you make your money, of course, you're supposed to support the system. So I'm giving you everything for free, teaching you everything I know on daily, doing everything for you. So in return, you go to the store right here, and then you can buy the system $575 for the year. And you get training right after that. As soon as you purchase the system, you can read all about it here and learn everything that we have and everything. Come over here and you can sign off that and put it. There you go. And that's your little. I purchase it, and every other Monday live training session by me. It's a small group. Sometimes there's like 5 people and it's so tiny. Other times there's 20 or 30, depends on how the week turns out. But yeah, that's how we do it. And then it's yeah. And then you get your system put on immediately, get your training in, you start demo trading, and then we have our rules. And there's our rules. We're talking about the ways of trading right there, actually. Good morning, Michelle Lewinsky. Good morning, Rel. I combine the way to trade with data. Nope, don't combine it with anything. Absolutely 100% don't combine it with anything, even if you're doing your options. So good morning, E-double, by the way, E-double 88. Nope, standalone system. 100% standalone system. Do not combine the system with any of the old ways of trading, including what he's talking about. Oh, there you go. Here we go. Listen, here we go. Turn that up. Oh yeah. Here we go. This one is an ES1. It's in the game, baby. Here we go. Touchdown to the 5-second line. 1 second. The ball flipped. Told you. Ding, 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 ding. The 5-second blue line. You're going to see this purple line hook come down. There'll be a little gap right here. Then price action will go up again to this blue line right there, and you'll see that in just a few seconds here. Both already did it. And that is ES1. Next one is the same. You'll see that they're always the same. You can see it hook right over there. NQ1, we have plenty of time. Plenty of time for NQ1 to go up to it. Look at it go. US30 crossing, US30 crossing, US30 seconds, 5 seconds. See, watch. Now you're going to see these here in the green. You're going to see these in the green. Watch. You're going to flip the green here any second. Ding, 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 ding. There you go. There you go. There. You see that? Now watch. Watch. There you go. NAS 100 will be next. Going to its 10-second blue line. You're going to see NAS go to its 10-second blue line. You're going to see the blue and that fill in the gap. You're going to see NQ1 go to its 10-second blue line. Told you you're going to hear these ding dongs. Ding dong, baby. There you go. 10 seconds about to fall for SPX. In 10 seconds about these calls I'm making on these time frames are so fast. Every one of you could make money, especially you guys doing whatever silliness you do on your funded trader accounts. And there you go. Dang on. Beautiful. You'll be hearing it again. Don't worry. You'll be hearing it again. There'll be a lot more ding-a-ling. Here you go. You're going to see purple lights and come down. It's going to come back up. No. This one here's going to come back up. This is going to come down and come down. This is going to look like that and come back up like that. And is NAS. I'm sure the exact same thing as on NQ it is. The exact same thing. We'll make sure we have our little. There you go. There he is. One touchdown to the blue line. I drew it out for you. I told you. The falling receivers from the green right here. The 10 seconds turn green. This is the as you look, there's that NQ. They're going to fall. Ding, 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 ding. Told you. If I can trade like this, you guys can trade like this too. Have to be safe and buy the system. SafeTrade.com and buy the system. Ding, 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 ding. And it says, there it goes. There it goes. There's NAS. There it is. There it goes up. Touchdown. There's the come back up. Told you. There you go. That is 10-second box. There it is. Touchdown. We have touchdown. Thank you. Look at that. Touchdowns to the blue line.
Trade only.
That is to the 10-second. Next up is the 15-second. 15-second buy stop NQ and NAS is going to go right up here and touch this blue line quick if I can get my order. I should say here. And then this is going to go here. Look. It's already. I can't stop it. All right, these are going to flip. Next, you're going to see these two turn to green. This is going to go up and touch its blue line right here, like it just did right there. We have touchdown. We have touchdown. We have touchdown. We have touchdown. As to its 15-second blue line, here comes NQ. Watch. There's NQ to its 15-second blue line. Told you. We'll see these turn to green next. You can see the buy stops flashing right here, telling you to 15-second blue line. We're going to need to see this. Well, maybe when we're going to see the price action come down, pink line arc down, come back up, and then you'll see it go back over there, coming down right here. Look at how much fun this is. I told you to hear those ding lanes. Ding dong, baby, ding dong. Look right here. You see the 1 second buy stops? Yes, is buy stop to the 15-second blue love, NAS and NQ. Now they're all over their 15-second except for NAS and NQ. So if we go over to here, oh yeah, that's easy money. NQ to the 15-second blue line. You're going to see it. You're about to see it live. Come on now. There we go. You're going to see pink line come up, and you're going to see this price action go right to here. You're into 15-second greens. Same thing for NQ, by the way. NQ buy stop is going to NQ the 15-second blue line. There you go. And after that, any drawdown, fall down for you. Close enough, by the way. That's got to be at least 4 to 6 ticks right there. Probably closer to 10 ticks right there, that little bit. Each pip on a NAS and US30 1 pip equals 10 ticks. So there you go. Look at it. Ding 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 dong. Told you where it's going to head. It goes up there, and that's NQ. By the way. Same thing for NAS. NAS one. And I wish this was a little less. Let me see SPX real quick. Yeah. Yes. Yeah. Let's go back to NQ. They're both the same. It's going to be about equal time. Purple's coming down. It's going to be crop. My pink so small. It's going to be. It's going to be Whoa, whoa, whoa. What the? Yeah. Pink will come up, cross the purple, see the gap right here. Let me draw this out for you. This is going to come down a little bit more like that, and then it'll go. And then you're going to see pink cross like that right there. The space right in here. You can see green go up like that. And you're going to see price action. Oh, that's called the. Yeah, that went to the 10-second first. Oh, it's right on it. That's why. All right. And then this is. Oh, I got my alert set up. We don't have to sit here. Sometimes I forget and we just sit here. NQ1. Nice. Da-da-da. I mean, we can't sit here. It just gets a little boring as well. Orange line. Your take stop is right here. It keeps going up. Sitting it. Is there any news this morning? Any news this morning? Da 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 da. Da da dee da da. PMI at 10 a.m. Thanks, John. So nothing at 8:30 then. And PMI is pretty much useless. But what's up, Barani? Good morning, Barani. Good morning, Chris Ballmas again. Taraya, Nelson, Guy Berger, Larry, Mike, Michelle Golinsky. Okay. Yeah, this is watching paint dry at this point. Oh, SPX just moved. That's fine. Here we go. We'll wait right here. We'll wait right here. We'll wait right here. We'll wait right here. Look at NAS and NQ. You guys trying to tell me they're different. Get out of here. Maybe. Yeah, baby. Yeah, baby. Every time it goes above 540, this is beautiful. NAS, 5 stop, 19,910. And I'm going to keep firing that off. All right. Boy, is he going to gold? Ooh. Yep, we can't do gold. Hold on, I can't do gold right there. Let me go back. Poor gold, just too damn good. Right. Yeah. There we go. So NQ again. Buy stuff in Q to like 10 seconds. Let's see. No, we're not. 10 seconds. Fine. And NAS, blue line. Better. follow it down. You can take a buy stop. Let's see, there it is. Told you. That's for NAS. The line's over its blue line. They both flip. 10-second blue lines for NAS. This is here. NAS and NQ1 are hit. Still same thing. Buy stop to the 15-second blue line. 5-second blue line. Nice. This is fun. NQ1. Buy stop to the 15. It's crossed again. It moved past this orange line for the first, second, third, fourth, about the fifth time. Buy stop to the 15-second blue line. All indices present in NQ. What's up, Neville? Good morning, Neville. It keeps giving you free bucks. That's about 3 to 5 pips a time. 40, 50 picks. You guys can let's go back down to the test. That's right. The 10-second line. We'll have to call this. Wow. Yeah, you guys can keep making 5, 10 pips in a row over and over and over. It's just 3. Neville Longbottom. Neville from Carly. Neville from, that's all I know. That's all I know.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
I think our Neville's nicer than all of them. Although, you know, not Longbottom. Gold can't do, Bitcoin not, XRP, Miriam, XLM, Nike now. We'll stay here. NQ1. I still don't think we're done with that 3 minutes. I'll stop, but let's just ride these buys for now. Anybody got any questions or anything? Because I have to repeat on it right there. It's going to keep repeating the variable stop. It's funny. But it is showing you that it just repeats itself over and over and over, and that's what it's showing you. Where's my trash man? That's funny. Let me see how it has done. There's SPX. SPX ES1 Q1 and S1 YM US30 to their respective 15-second blue lines. Right here. All right, I'm bored. I did all my exercises, trading notifications. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. Da 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 da. All right, where are we? All right, I'm bored. All right, let's oh, look at NAS. Nice. Oh, look at NAS. I hold on the buys. I don't give a shit what's going. Let's see. Absolutely, just stay right here. You don't have to go anywhere. Just stay right there. You can play the cells if you want. I think it's done going to the 3-minute line, but I don't give two fucks either. If you really want to just throw a trade in here, go up to about that 30-minute, 45-minute. Put your buy stop right. Yeah, just like it is. Yeah, see right there in that 30. I'd put it right here. And then just take the shit out of that and run it all the way to 20,072 for NAS. Same trade for NQ1. Just get in down here somewhere, right? But you take profits up here. That's what I would do. I just love this trade. So let me go back down to this 10-second quick on NAS. I love these buys. You just got to take these profits going on. Oh, right here. Just love them. NQ1 buy stop to the 10-second blue line. NAS buy stop to the 10-second. I can care less. This thing drops. The more it drops, the more we'll get in. We'll just follow it down and grab more and more profit from it when it flips. Good. It's sunny out. Then go for a walk in about an hour. I'll stay on with you guys through market open. Can anyone share the link on TikTok? It seems to just by country. I'll find the link. Really? I would just type in the safety trade. I should be the only live safety trade. I'm not the only live safety trade for real. Could someone give the link to TikTok? I'm not on that. I can't get the link. How do I get it over to them? I don't know. Good morning, Orlando Waters. Blessed link to you too. Let's see. How can I do this? Yeah, I don't think I can get it over to you. TheSafetyTrade.com is my. I don't know what else to tell you. I wish someone could just throw a link up there. I don't have the link, Chris, but I do it myself. I'm on my phone and I can't pull it over to there. Good morning, old school Mick on TikTok. Trader Larry Cooper, J E88, Joe Biggett. It's my time. Kirkland Brown, Lazarus, Michelle Glowinski, Mardell, Jay Lewis. Thank you, Techman. You're the best, buddy. Axel, Nadal, Corey Brad, Techman, user 5796. Good morning, Annie Apple. Good morning, Giro Baru. Barani. Good morning, Barani. Crypto Fire, The Griffey, Ryan Marcus, Kenny J, user 4612, Shepard, Mohammed Badwood, Roberts. Good morning, everybody on TikTok. Good. Is that a good link right there? Thank you, Techman, for providing link. Da 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 dee da do da da dee da do. How I love you. Da da dee da da dee da do. Frank Luke, thank you, Techman. And there you go. That's your link for you, Crystal. Da 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 dee da. I just love this. Yeah, 30-second buy stop to 10-second blue line again. That is for NAS, and that is also for NQ1. You see these things right here? You can just play these buys and sells all day long. I'm still thinking it's going to go down to the 3-minute mark. It may not. It may not go down until 10 when they do the PMI news. I don't know. But I do know that I'm taking any of these buys, 30-minute buys, that's 45-minute buys, that's 60-minute buy stops, to 90-minute blue line of US30. Here. For all the funds they're setting up their local buy stop registration. This is the one we're playing. We're going to play this from here all the way up to there. So roughly speaking, once this is said and done, maybe 300-400 dips today on US30 what I'm looking for. You'll see the space fill in right here. The green will up and touch the yellow. Either today, tomorrow, whenever, Wednesday, I don't care. Same here, same here, same here, same here. Everything will go price action orange line. Let's take profit 2, 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 and then take profit 3 will be halfway up right there, and then the final take profit will be right here for a US30. This is so boring. All right. I wish someone else had some more symbols. But I gotta go look at some more symbols. Good morning, Grant. Good morning, Luke. Thank you, Techman. Are you trading futures? What's up, John Roberts? We trade everything here. Yes, futures included. That's what your NQ1, ES1, and YM1s are. But the system works on any symbol that you can put on trading. You over 1,000 different symbols. As long as my system can chart it, I can trade it for you. So if you have any symbols you want me to look at for you, John, just let me know. Now, if anybody has any symbols, we have about a little over 100, 120 people watching between all the platforms right now. Not bad, not bad. Last couple of days, we've been shooting up to 15, 1600. I think those are bots or something. I don't know what the fuck that is, actually. It's kind of weird. But they come on for about 15 minutes and they leave. I don't know. Nobody knows. Top of the day, Crash. What's up, Crash? GBP USD. I already called that one. Yeah, I'll look at it again for you, Ryan. Morning, Ryan. Yeah, we've already called GBP. I kind of like to go to something that we haven't called. GBP USD. So the top 4 concerts for Forex in the world. ERUSD is the number 1 currency pair in the world. 7.2 trillion a day. All the buy counts kicked and all the way hit. Yeah. 3-hour buy, 4-hour buy, 5-hour buy, 7-hour buy. Technically a 7-hour, 9-hour buy stop. It's already in take profit 1. Take profit 2 was already called 1.33697, and then we'll go past 1.34202.
Demo trade only. I am a financial advisor.
Yeah. And that's that. Oh, I go. Well, you can go all the way up to this week. Take profit. Weekly buy stop 1.41236, 1.4191, 1.50830. Which brokers for me has started to use and trading view, please? I'm not a broker. I can't answer that question for you. I'm not a financial analyst. I can't answer that question for you. Perhaps someone else can speak up for your personal use of what you use. I don't trade on trading view. Several accounts. What used to be Eagle FX, which is some weird ass fucking thing now. Hugo's Way, Pepperstone, Osprey. I forgot I even had an Osprey when I tried to log in. I said I already had an account. I only had like a couple $100 in there, but anyway. Osprey, Trade-A-Bite, Thinkorswim. Oh, then it started all the other ones. Webull, holy shit, I got so many. Robinhood, Webull, Public. What's I got on my crypto on? Uphold. I'm sure well over a dozen or two. I have 8 just on Eagle FX. So I probably have a couple dozen trading accounts, live trading accounts, different places. Some people tie in, they do trade trading stuff. So I would call Nadex, but not Nadex. Love Nadex actually. Really got to get back into Nadex. Nice. Hey, that's GBP USD. Hope that helps you.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Oh, ours are set up. Crash. Our system set up to trade Alonda. That's who the brokers on there is Alonda. It says right in their rules and everything, so you might want to read that. And then we use Blackpool. So it's Alonda and Blackpool are the ones I use. This one's Peppers. Blackpool. The signals account are set up for Alondas. So anything to do with the signals runs through the Alonda, OANDA or something like this. You're welcome, Crash. That was nice and technical. Thank you, technical. Weekly buy stop. US30, weekly buy stop, Y1, NAS 500, NQ1, weekly buy stop, SPX 500, ES. Oh, you're farting around. Ah, jeez. Come on, that's fine. All right. They're annoying me. One minute sell stop to the 3-minute blue line. SPX, ES1, NQ, YM, US30 to the 3-minute blue line. Why am I calling that? Because you can clearly see it's a 3-minute blue line. Would I ever trade that? Not a chance in hell. I'm strictly looking for these. I'm going to go up to those 45 minutes. Yeah, maybe 60. Yeah, 60 minutes. All right, 60-minute buy stop. Again, I'm just setting up my alerts so for later, so you guys can hear all kinds of theming stuff. You'll see it. I'm hearing all kinds of things. All kinds of things. I don't take profit right here. I'm not going to call them. I've already called these out. You can watch and see where I'm clicking to get your take profits. I fully expect the buy stop to open this morning. I hope it drops further and further. That's the bigger movement up we'll have later on. More profit, you guys. NQ1 buy stop to US30's 90-minute. We should hear these dings that open. Make it before open up. 45 minutes. NAS 100. 1 hour buy stop. The US30's 45, 90-minute. Oh my gosh, I think it's this way. YM1 60-minute buy stop to the 90-minute blue line of US30. US30 buy stop hour to its, oh, let me just go over there. So it's a 90-minute blue line. Computer proof this. Price action will go from where it is to over the center, to over the orange line, to this stuff right here. And we'll go up to the blue line. So I put all my take profits just like that. And go to there. Then it's going to go to here. And it's in a good, so the blue line's in a good place. But everything's there. You go. Oh, yeah, you're right. 3 minutes. Let's see how close we can get. Yeah, I don't think so. NAS, yeah. NAS, the blue line, you can trade it if you like. I never do any sells on indices. I don't care if it goes down to the 15-minute, 30-minute blue line today. I don't do sells on indices because they're a permanent buy. Why? Because the higher time frame flow is a buy. You guys can trade any which way you want. I trade the way I like.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Da-da-da. Da-da-da. Any questions over anything? Any comments? Any concerns? Anything? Da-da-da-da. You're welcome, Crash. Da-da-da-da-dee. Anyone on TikTok, YouTube? We're just stalling. I can teach you guys. Anybody want me to go over? I taught you how to do the Uno reverse trade. I taught you how to do 4 out of 5 trade. I can just show you a simple buy stop or sell stop. What would you rather guys learn about, a buy stop or a sell stop? A buy stop or a sell stop? Which one would you rather me go over? I'll wait for your answers. Whatever you get the most responses from, that's what I'll do. Da, 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 da. Da, da, da. Da, da. Da, da, da. No, no, no. Da, 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 da. It all says both. Sure. Coach, do you still do the option you used to show? I do kind of, yeah, not really. Sell, buy, sell. You look at NQ1 again, no longer 30 seconds to the blue line. NQ, come to 30 seconds. That was the 15-second anyways. Oh, it's setting up to be a 3-minute sell to the blue line for NQ, NAS, SPX, and ES1. I just still have that feeling it's just not done going to a 3-minute. Now, do I think US30 and YM is going there? No. So this would have been your 15th buy stop to the blue line. To the 30-second, it's still going there. It's just going to take a little detour. Yep. 45-minute, 90-minute. Yeah, no, it's just, see, when you guys are seeing, this is another thing so weird to me. Watch. Let's go down to the 15-second. Okay. All right. So this is the 15-second sell. See how it's going down, down. It looks horrible. Oh my God, it's terrible. Look at it. You go to the 30-second sell. It doesn't look quite as bad. It still looks pretty bad. The 1 minute. Oh, terrible, terrible, terrible. Then you get to the point of absurdity. Can you even see it? So, for instance, when you look at like the 60-minute buy, I mean, even see the movement that you're getting. Everyone gets worked up about. No, it's nothing. Just chill, relax, hold your NAS, hold your NQ, whatever you're to put your stop loss in, honor it, and then re-enter the trade. If you take the L, just re-enter the trade. But this goes for SPX too. Look, go to SPX. It looks like it's the end of the world. Oh, it's going down. Oh, it's terrible. Oh, well, the SPX fall. I don't know where you got in that or nothing. That's 3 pips. Okay. For 3 pips, even if we go, where's the highest at there? So from there to there. I mean, so if you're looking at that SPX, 5 pips. 20 pips stop loss set up here. And just be patient and wait. Again, I can see it going all the way down to the 3-minute. So if we went from up here to down here, it's a 12 pip or 11 pip, whatever. 12 pip stop loss, more than doable. And just hold and hang. And realize that by the time you get up here to like the 30, you can't even see the candle we're on. I think that's our candle right there. Yeah, that's it right there. Yeah. So yeah, just chill. Would you enter the trade? Let's see if you enter the trade. Let's go up there. Let's see. Well, okay, this is where we were. So you enter the trade with the orange line here, with this one right here on, and this is NQ. You should make a couple of pips. You enter it. It's out low there. About 5, 6, 7 pips. You probably did that once, twice, This is the one, if you did it last, you got caught on that one. Yeah, you got caught on that one if you would enter that way. Or lost, potentially lost. About 10 pips. Max would have been about 20, 19, 20. Nope. I put a 20 pip stop loss. Hell, if you're trading US30, you're go higher, but a 20 pip stop loss on any of the indices. In SPX, you could probably get away with like a 10, 15 one. NASDAQ Q1 20, 25 pip stop loss. YM1 US30, the holy shit. YM1 in US30, you might balls when you trade that one. That thing can be ugly. That could be 50 pips easy or more. I can't see it. Well, it's only 25.30, but let me see if the 3-minute blue line. I'm telling you, it's a different breed. US30 will just take you to the cleaners before you even know what happened. Yeah, see, look at that. On a proper trade, you can still be down 80 pips, so your stop loss should have been about here, about 60. Yeah, that's a lot of pips. I would wait for US30 to do its complete turn before you mess with US30. It's just too big. US30 YM just, they call them the widow maker. Now, is it SPX? No. You can play around. SPX, my goodness. If you had a freaking 50 pip stop loss in SPX, I don't even think you could try. I mean, you wouldn't be able to get off the screen. It's a totally different breed than US30. Watch, we went up to even up to here, went up to there. That's 12 pips. Okay, look, 12 pips on SPX's worst case scenario. If we go over to US30, shit, it's gonna be 100. Yeah, 111, 100. Same trade. If you look at NAS will probably be about 50, 50, 60. Yeah, 40, 50, something like that. Which is within reason. You know, put a 50 pip stop loss. Definitely a 20, 30 pip stop loss. That should be. You got to let the trade breathe. For the love of God. But yeah, I would just put your stop loss in, hold it, and relax, chill. It'll go where it needs to go. Buy stop to the 10-second blue line. Buy stop as we're talking NAS to the 10-second blue line on NQ1. You want an NQ1, go to NQ1. Same. To NQ1, 2, you'll see the 10-second flip here in just a minute. It's just they take a detour. You know, you ever see those? No, I can't say that because people get mad at me. Like how certain decisions, sometimes it's like a straight line, and sometimes they go left, right, up, and down. Well, the markets go left, right, up, and down, and then they eventually figure out where they're going. In our case, it'll go up to the 90-minute blue line later today. There you go. To the blue line of 10-second. That's an NQ. We're expecting the 15-second. He was just asking about. There you go. Hold it right there for those. That's all. I hope that helped everybody because it is a very nice. NQ1, NQ1. Back to the money on NQ1. This is NQ1 right here. That's profit point right there. I think TP1 or 2. I don't remember which one. Look. There you go. So now you're back to the money again. Super Z. Good morning, Super Z. What's up? The USD killed my account so many times. Yeah, you got to be careful with US30. They call it the widowmaker because people would kill themselves over that. I hope that helped you, GB. Did that explanation help you? Buy stop to the 15-second blue line. Let me see. SPX. Yeah. SPX, ES1. Q1 and Q1's in the money now. And, see, just people are short. Look. To the 15-second blue line, you're in the money. There you go. And that's how you trade it. Some of you are just too
Demo
short-minded.
trade only.
You're too. You want these 5-second trades to be done in a second. Chill, dudes. You know, give yourself a. I told you. So 10:30, 10 o'clock. Give yourself time. Put your stop loss in. Put your buy in, and just relax. If it goes beyond 30 pips, 20 pips on SPX, okay. Take your loss. You lost $20. Look at it. There you go. On NAS, put a 30, 40 pips top loss in. If you're trading a 0.01, it's $50. If you're trying to trade something bigger than that, that's your loss. On SPX and ES to the 15-second blue line. Look at it go. Nice. Patience. My beautiful wife, she always says patience is the love language of trading. Patience. Patience, young ones. You guys are too hyper. Even for fucking 5-second, 10-second, 15-second trades, you guys are too hyper. Chill. Chill. Let the trade develop. Give it breathing room. Let the trade develop. Da, 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 dee, da, 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 dee. NQ1, baby. NQ1. We got touchdown. We got touchdown. I can't see my things. Touchdown. Touchdown to the 15-second blue line. Touchdown. NQ1, which means they have to do it too. Touchdown. Now to the 15-second blue line. Bingo, boppo, bingo. Bingo, boppo, bingo. Nice. NASCAR. Look. Look. These 15 seconds have fallen. I hope that makes. Who was asking the question? Because it's silly. I mean, God, everybody wants a fucking immediate move. Is sure it's still that? Well, no, you got to let it fucking chill. Back to the 15-second blue line on NAS. Back to the 15-second. Now we're looking for 3-second buys on ES1. Let me go over here and make some adjustments on this. Let's go to 30-second. There we go. Oop, did he boot? There you go. NAS crossing. Da 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 da. ES1 to the 30-second blue line. SPX 500 to the 30 line. NQ1 to the 30-second blue line. Da 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 da. Yeah, okay. Well, I want it to happen too. So I'll F. You don't get what you want. Markets move the way the markets move. NAS 30-second blue line. Will it hit it right now? I don't fucking know. I still think it's going to go down and hit the 3-minute, but maybe not. Just chill. If it goes down, just put in more orders and follow. Oh, yeah, there you go. There you go. There you go. To the 15-second blue line. NAS and NQ. NAS and NQ to the 15-second blue line. Hell yeah, that's some more money. More money. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. If I can do it, you can do it. Yep. I can do it, you can do it. There you go. Nice. Beautiful trades. Nice. That's a ricochet, by the way. Gorgeous trades. Perfect trades. I hope this is all helping you out. Head over to thesafetytrade.com. Buy the system here. Buy the system for $575. If I can do it, you can do it. And it repeats itself. Watch. Pink's going to come down, cross purple, pink's going to go up, touch blue line. This space will fill in right here. This will go back up to the blue line right there. You'll see these colors change to green. There you go. There you go. Then you want to the 15-second blue line. We have a touchdown again. Touchdown again for the line. There you go. Picture perfect. Picture perfect. Absolutely picture perfect. There you go. Now, I don't know how many times you want it to go up and touch the 15-second blue line, but you should be very grateful it's doing it once. And it's probably done that same exact trade 1, 2, 3 times, 3 or 4 times already. Let me see how my trades are doing, by the way. Oh, nice. Are these today? Oh, these are today's right here. $100, NAS 100. Let's see, NAS 100. Yep, there you go. NAS 100 back to the blue line again. Perfection. Absolutely perfection. Gorgeous trades. Buy stop again. See how they're all farting around over here? Who cares? We're going to the 90-minute blue line. Oh, I thought Keith was going to have me be able to do that. There you go. Nice pullback. We're going to get inside these trades again. Yeah, so that's what let's see here. SPX 15. SPX, ES1, NAS, NQ1, all to the 15 set. There you go. To the 15 line. All of them are going up to it. Look, 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 look. Look, look, look. There you go. There you go. Okay, that little pullback. Look at this. Everybody seeing how I'm playing this? Everybody see how this is being played out? Touchdown to the touchdown again. Touchdown NAS. Touchdown NAS to the blue line. Yeah. Over to the second blue lines. 5 seconds. You'll see all these fall. You'll see all these fall. I do have these trades open. I think I showed you. Either for today. US30 buys. To the 30 seconds. That's it. Last but not least, you have NQ1 and NAS heading to its blue line. You have NQ1 and NAS heading to its blue. Perfect. Perfection. Look at it. Look at it, cost. Told you. I hope that taught GB a lesson and that he understands to be patient and relax and chill. You always take buy stops. You never do sell stops on US30, YM1, NAS, NQ1, SPX 500, ES1, Gold, Bitcoin, XRP, Ethereum, XLM, Nike, Target, J&J, CVS. You always take buy stops on those. You never take sell. There it is. Look at that go. Look at that go. Pop. Right to think, man, what are we up to now? I'm going to go ahead and close down this one trade right here. This is good enough for me. And that's the time in on my trade, and that's today's date as a one. And that's that. And now we have one trade open. I'm going to let it run until it hits its. Yeah, look at this. Until it hits its blue line on the 90-minute, and then I'll reevaluate the trade and see if it's going to go past that more. These are your set take profits halfway up to the orange line, halfway up into the blue line, and that's for US30. They're all doing it, by the way. All the snipers going buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, fill in the space between here, fill in the space between there, fill in the space, fill in the space, fill in the space. It'll go up past the orange line here, past the orange line there, here, and of course past the orange line here. It'll go up to this blue line later today or whenever it's coming up. Too fucking easy by the system, people. Thanks. You're welcome, Techman. Amazing blessings to you and your team. Thank you, Crash. Blessing each and every one of you. And that's how you trade. I'll repeat it until I'm blue in the face or until I get 1 million of you using the system. Once there's 1 million of you using the system, I'll feel like I've accomplished pretty much my job in life. We have several hundred of you using the system at any given time. I don't get it up to 7,000. There you go. 30 seconds. Ricochet. NAS, NQ1, NQ1 buy stop again. It's going to go back up to this blue line. As they're giving you money. Let me be clear on this. I'm going to mute this for a second. When you see that SPX and ES are over their blue lines and NAS isn't, and US30 is, they're giving you free money on NAS. Free money on NAS because SPX has already been over its blue line. NQ1 not. This is free money Mondays. Free money Mondays. They're giving you free money. There it is. There it is. Go to it. I can do this. All my members can do this. We can do this too. Or most all my members. Some of my members, some of my members have trouble. Say trade.com and buy the system. But I can do it. Other members can do it. You can do it. My members can do it. You can do it. There it is. It's going to ricochet. Purple will come down. There's be a space right here. This will come back up and touch right there. We're getting close to it opens. See, this will come down like this. Let's come up like that. Price actions will come down like that. So come up like this. Price that's from NAS. Too much. Yep. Same thing. Even though you think these are different symbols, they're not. NAS 100 is a Q1, but whatever. It's the exact same thing as SPX. You guys try to argue. Well, used to try to argue. That's why I put the charts up there so they can just say no, shove it down your throat. And no, it isn't. It's totally same. Nothing's different. Okay, this is called a logo buy. It turns from red. It comes up here. This should stay hopefully green with a space. Pink will drop down. Then this will come back up. This is a logo buy stop. You see the buy stop right there? 15 seconds. Buy, so we're going to come back down here. Well, that's right on it, but that's what it's going to do, yeah. There you go. H&H, my favorite. You go to trade. Yeah, of course you do. NQ1 crossing. NQ1 crossing. And I'll ask you guys if you minutes or draw it out. You'll see this pink come up. Across this purple, you'll see the space right here. I drew out for you. See, told you. Here we go. Hold on. Is this? Yeah, this is. Thank you. Let me hold on 1 second. Hold on a second. Okay. We'll hold right there. We're going to let that fall. As that falls, we're going to follow it down, and then we'll start making some buy stop / purchasing. Some of the clicks you hear me think, you hear me do are buy stops, and some are pending orders, depending on how. Hold on. No, why isn't it giving me the option for my buy stop? Am I on NAS? Hold on 1 second. Oh, there it is. Yeah. Yep. So that I was thinking, why did my one-click buy stop working? But it is. There you go. And then, yeah. So now I can fire those off super quick. I just got to be careful where I place them because they go high. There we go. All right. So we'll just hold right there. I would put your buy stop somewhere right. See how the orange line's going below here? I put it somewhere right there. And then take profits would be here. what is this? NQ1, yeah. Here. And then NAS buy stop. And just chill. Zero rush again. If this doesn't come up at open, we don't care. What time is it? 9:10. Okay, yeah. I hope it doesn't come up now. I hope it comes up later. Where's my my alerts? Hold on, hold your horses. There we go. There we go. About 20 minutes, about 19 minutes market open. And then we're waiting for the hook. This pink right here across. The blue will come up like that. Then you profit. You're in profit on all. You're in profit on all. You can close some of those trades out if you want. You can close some trades out just to knock yourselves out. I'm going to leave some open. I'm going to leave that. What am I in NAS? Hold on, let's show you NAS. Take profit one hit. Take profit one hit. Close down at least some of your trades. I will. And I'm open, lock in profit on those two. Put it down here. Okay. Profits are locked in. Profits are locked in. I do have one open trade to go. I'm going to close that. I'm good on my trades on that. All right. NAS 100. Take profit two hits. Take profit. I want to profit two out the orange. We're waiting for it to ricochet and go back up to 30-second line. I threw it out for you. I traded it out with you. I threw it out for you. I told you what was going to happen before it happened, and it happened. Exactly as I told you. There's money. There's a free money. You can either take that money or you can close it. That's my NAS trades. Oops, sorry. NAS trades times in were just when I told you to do the trades. There you go. So take profit one and two. I'm NAS. We're waiting for the big one right here. The blue line, which I'm going to move this right here. Then if you want to, yep, you have another opportunity to do extra one. Also, we draw it out. We'll do the cross. That's the most accurate. It's like a rifle. They're giving us money over and over and over again. And they just keep giving us money over and over and over again. Non-stop. NQ1 and NAS have been printing money all morning long. It's going to continue to do that. So cool watching a 30-minute buy. Only 3 minutes, so. Yeah. What's up, Dabon? Oh, Dabon, awesome. Grab my two. Damn, Dabon, that's your goal. I thought your goal was 1,500. I think you raised it to 2. Congratulations, Dabon. Yay. Look at Dabon. Goal. Time to go to work. Man, you keep making $2,000 a day, Dabon. You ain't going to need more work. You're working out of freaking St. Thomas. Buy stop again. Hopefully this will be our push to the 30-second. Get that market over. What time is it? I still have that feeling about that 3-minute, but I guess I'm wrong. I don't know why. Maybe that'd be nice. Hold on, let me see something. Will they? Maybe. Yeah, we might get one of the symbols. I just don't think it's going to be US30, but maybe NAD or FPL will short down movement for us. meaning like on a higher time frame here. Let's go to like 3 minutes. You know, we'll get this push right here down to the 3 minute, and then look it up later. I think that you'll see it open. I think you can see that, and these will all flow to red. Yeah. Well, it'd be nice if you guys can read the trade. But I'm going to try. I'd like a big pull down for you to open right after market open, and then everybody can hop in. Do the hoppy hop, do the hoppy, do the hop in, do the hoppy, do the hop in, do the hoppy. All right, 14 minutes, 13 minutes to market open. I'm going to trade market open with you, then I'm going to go ahead and roll. I'm going to go ahead and roll. Good morning, Jose Luis. The systems is dead, Bob. What do I agree with that? Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Keeps crossing here. Again, I would never play a sell, but I'm hoping for a little dip so you guys can re-enter. Oh, this is a nice re-entry right here, to be honest with you. Buy stop, 30-second buy stop, NQ1 and NAS 100.
Demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Good morning, my brother. What did you write? What's up, Mike? Larry Cooper, good morning, Doctor. Hopefully at market open, we're going to see this little pull. Love that alert. That's a great alert. I'm going to stay here, though. I like, I'm just going to stay right here for a minute. I know it's a little boring. I stop NAS NQ to the 15-second, all indices to the 30-second buy stop to the blue line. Literally, it's telling you this just so we're clear. You see that? Buy stop, buy stop, buy stop, buy stop to the 30-second. It's very specific. So even if you don't know how to trade or you're having trouble trading, you can pretty much just follow the bouncing ball. Buy stop to the 60-minute blue line of US30, all 5 indices. Well, 6 indices there. Oh, this has been a fun morning. Huh? Hey, I'm tired. So which one do I think? NAS, maybe them. Can we get a pull down to the 3-minute blue line on NAS or SPX? That'd be really nice. I don't think so, but maybe that PPI bullshit news will drop it a little bit or something at 10. That might get you guys another entry. I'm trying to get you guys back in the trade if you didn't start the trades early like I did. Nice one, over and over and over again printing. Buy stop to the 1 second blue line. Select all indices. This is nice. Sell stop to the 3-minute blue line, all indices, but I don't care about that. These suckers. You guys are getting a little bit of a pullback. This is what I wanted to see for you all. It'll hold. I don't think it's a minute. I stop NAS to the 1 second blue line. These are, you can do sell if you want. I don't know. There you go. There you go. 1 second blue line hits the NAS. 1 second blue line hit for NQ1. 1 second will be hit for SPF. Watch the yeah. They come ES1 to the second line. That's actually 1 second blue line. And Q's path it and path like US30 might give us the pullback. Let's buy stop to the 1 second blue line US30. 5 seconds to the 1 second blue line YM. We'll love these trades. There you go. We're set now. Let's see if that US30 will be our little pullback one. That'd be that's our best one too. Take any buy shot you can find on 1 second, 5 second, 10 second, 15 second, 30 second, 1 minute, 2 minutes, all the way on up. You can see all the buy shots formed right here. I told you this. I told you the buy shots would be over here in the top. 60-minute buy stop to the 60 and 90-minute blue line from US30. This is cool. This is nice. Yeah, let's watch US30. And then let's see what happens here. I think if US30 hits this 3-minute blue line, great. If NAS hits it, great. On a sell, that's great. Or SPX, that's fine. But one of them has to go down there for me. Then I'll feel much better about everything. Otherwise, buy stop. 5 second blue line. All indices. And that's what you should. Bam. Oh, it keeps going up. That's why I'm making it. YM's cost. YM's cost. Yep, there it goes. Yeah, so you can talk to it. NQ1. Nice. 1 second buy stop NQ1. Cross blue, this will turn back. Let's go back up to the US30. Let's see. No, yeah, buy stop to the blue line to cross. This price goes up. There it is. Just 1 second. Down for 1 second. It's going to be logo. First going to come down. And then I'll come back up there. Nice. And we'll just wait here and relax. How much time for market open? For the love of God. 5 minutes to market open. 5 minutes to market open. All right, 5 minutes to market open. I'm fully suspecting now maybe we can get that pulled out like I've been wanting. I guess we can watch US30. I don't know, I just had a feeling for the NAS and Q ones, but these US30s even get a hook down. Please do not play market open. If you're going to play market open,
demo trade only. I am not a financial advisor.
Demo trade only. I'm not a financial advisor. So if you're going to trade market open, demo trade only. Go on to TikTok. It has the least delay of my voice. I'll be in and out of trades sometimes before my voice even calls the trade. That's what the problem is. NQ buy stop, SPX, NAS, NQ1, ES1 to the 15-second blue line. You have time on US30. These other ones, I don't know. I don't know. What don't I know? Yep. Yeah, it's up again. 15 seconds line. And going to 30 seconds line. As I stop to the 30-second line, all indices I stop. Good. Maybe get that. Just now. Prepare to go in and out of your trades very fast. Very fast here. Don't horse shit around. Don't park it open. It moves too fast. By the time I make my calls, you guys don't hear it. I'm looking for NAS, SPX, and US30 all to be buys to the 60-minute blue line of US30 and then to the 90-minute blue line of 30. Again, don't trade it. Don't trade it. Don't trade it. Just follow me and see what happens. If we can get one of the three to pull back down, awesome. Especially that US30 board, we can go quick on that. Market open in about 2.5 minutes. Profit. And we're getting there. By the way, you're in profit on your NASs now. US30 in the money on all trades. Market money in the money on all trades. In the money on all trades. Close down your trades. Close down your trades. No sense keeping those open. I have 100% closing down my NASs. US30. Right. Market open in a minute. Lock and profit. Or demo trade only. Lock and profit. Look at the US30 boy. Lock and profit. Wow. X in the 30-second blue line. We didn't get enough of a hook down, but that's tough shit. You guys get got in. I'm not worried about that anymore. Right. There you go. That's the money. Thank you. One in the money. Yes, it's 30-second blue line. Yes, 30-second blue line. Look Look. US30 got the ball. Look. Wow. Market open in less than a minute. Market open real soon. Move quick. Demo trade only. I'm going to leave one open. Okay, we're going. Let's watch US30 for a second. Nice. US30 is in the money. US30 is in the money. Close down US30. You're in the money on US30. You can close down US30. It's in the money right there at US30. Go look at that. 37 pips, 33 pips. You can close that trade down. Feel free. Look at it. NQ. NQ in the money. NQ in the money. NQ1 in the money. NAS in the money. That's what I'm talking about. SPX in the money. Yes. One in the money. Both of them are YM1 in the money. Y30 in the money. All of them in the money. You could re-enter US30. You could re-enter US. Let's go over to NAS. You could re-enter US30. Feel free. NAS in the money. Thank God. SPX in the money. And ES money. I'm out of here. All right, guys. God bless you. Please remember to head over to the safetytrade.com, buy the system. Talk to you all later on YouTube and TikTok anyways. Hey, Dr. One Flag, going to run. You can do another buy stop on US30 if you like. It's going to the 60, the 90 minute. This is awesome. Good morning, boys. Starting off slow, but that's been enough for a while. Fucking blast. Okay. Nice. All right, guys. You're welcome, Techman. Welcome, Jose Luis. You're welcome, John Parker. Thank you, John. All right. God bless you all. You had plenty of time to get back into US30. I told you could have re-entered it on SPX net. I told you why, and I absolutely told you on US30. I told you 100 times you had time to get on US30 again. Look at it. US30 is literally going to a 60-minute, 90-minute blue line. Just take any buy stop you can find on that, including NAS, SPX, and US30. Okay. All right, guys. Got to go. Talk to y'all later. God bless. Wow. That ended up to be a very good one. What the hell's my thing there? Oh, there.